Sunex 8-inch bench grinder Jolt, 36 grit beast Awakens. Your chisel hits the wheel, but the grinder dancing across the bench. Edge ruined, frustration spikes. Happened to Jake mid-rush in his garage, botched the custom bracket. Sunex 8-inch bench grinder locks it down with cast iron heft. Ever felt like your tools are working against you? Drop GRINDERDANCE if this chaos rings true.
Shop deadlines loom, sparks flying, wrists aching, burnout as cheap motors whine and stall. That gut twist when speed drops mid-cut, brutal. Imagine if there was a way to take control. Sunex 8-inch bench grinder's 3/4 HP induction muscle stays rock steady, no chaos at it. Taste that smooth, hungry bite calling?
Meet Sunex 8-inch bench grinder, your workshop's unbreakable spine. 3/4 HP sealed induction motor spins 3450 RPM without bogging. Dual 8-inch wheels, 36 grit coarse for aggressive shaping, 60 grit medium for sharpening, devour metal. Cast iron base kills vibration dead. Adjustable eye shields plus spark guards keep you safe. Built-in flexible LED work light turns night into noon. Rubber feet and pre-drilled holes lock it permanent. Busy mechanic Leo almost missed a rush job. Old grinder stalled on a thick weld, but fired up Sunex 8-inch bench grinder, blasted rust in seconds, saved the deadline. Cool iron heft, wheels humming hungry, sparks dancing like fireflies. That first clean edge? Pure magic. Intuition kicks in. Tool feels alive. Objection? Too heavy? That weight is the stability. Here's one way Sunex 8-inch bench grinders save the day for a frantic fabricator. Keep reading for the bonus wheel dressing trick at the end. Comment light if you need that glow up.
Efficiency skyrockets. Sunex 8-inch bench grinder sharpens focus with zero-vibe precision, boosts performance via relentless 3/4 HP torque. Analyst raves, outperforms big box brands. Cast iron base is pro-grade. Influencer, no walking, no stalling. More blades done in minutes. Expert, low vibration, high value. Shop essential. User, hundreds of hours, still purrs like day one. I swapped mine mid-project. Suddenly, edges sang, welds vanished, no more wrist fatigue. See why thousands can't stop talking about this on YouTube, Reddit, garage forums. Price worry? Beats $300 rivals with included light, shields, rests, no add-ons needed. Lightly controversial, why settle for 6-inch toys when 8-inch surface each job's faster? Sensory pull, wheels whisper, light bathed steel and clarity, iron anchors your world. Which feature saves your bacon, 36 grit bite or LED glow? Comment below. If you're struggling with dull tools, this may change your game. Feel the intuitive pull, that playful finally grin when metal melts away smooth.
Limited stock flying, Amazon shows under 150 left. Join thousands who've already leveled up. One pro said, "I couldn't believe how fast it changed my workflow." Don't wait. Secure your Sunex 8-inch bench grinder today and feel the difference. Click down and unlock a secret wheel dressing template that makes everything easier. Comment yes if you want the bonus tip inside. Don't just watch. Jump in and transform your workshop today.